When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Dorsanee here once more. This is the second time I'm getting another wig from them and I'm so excited. So first things first, here's the bag with the wig. But before we get into that, I got a pair of lashes, I got a Dorsanee elastic headband, and I got a pair of wig caps. So now let's jump to the kind of wig we got today. Listen, once I saw this, I saw that, okay, we're working with some beautiful 613 here and it's straight. All right, so this is a 13 by 4 613 like balayage kind of vibe, almost, because it does have some muted streaks to it and it's really nice and it's pre-plucked as well. It's 13 by 4 right across the lace front. It came with 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, as well as a elastic band on the inside of the cap. So what you see me doing here is adding some lace tint spray, because this did not come pre-bleached or pre-tinted. You could go ahead and do that yourself, but just to make life easier for me, I just kind of use my lace tint spray, and it kind of just, you know, cut out all that extra work or long process. So as you can see, I just went ahead, slipped the wig on. I kind of cut some of that lace out of my eyes and I was just feeling this wig. Listen, I don't know if you guys know how I feel about these kind of colors, but when I get a good, like a properly done 613 wig, like, you know, toned and everything, I'm super excited. Like, no yellow, nothing to it. I mean, nothing is wrong if you get it with a yellow. You can always go in and customize it, but this just makes life easier. So before I add my adhesive, I'm just using some more of my lace tint spray on the very front there, like the edge at the top, and then I'm going in with some adhesive spray. Secondly, after which I just tie that down with my elastic band. This is so quick, and I just use my blow dryer on cool air and just kind of dry down everything all at once instead of doing it in sections. This is kind of like a quick way that I've been doing it since recently, and I mean, it gets the job done. It looks really good. You know, this is just a more convenient way to get it done. So as you can see, I started to remove the excess lace, and if there were any part coming up or lifting a little, I just go back in with a little bit more spray. And yeah, fast forward to just, you know, being complete with that. Now I decided that I was gonna do a nice little bust down middle part. And listen, this hair has not been flat ironed by me. This is exactly how it came out the package. Super straight, love it. All I wanted to do was really work on the roots and kind of get it super flat, because you guys know how I feel about getting the roots really flat. So you know, the hot comb is very essential and stuff. So I was still working on getting my part straighter and stuff, as you can see. But you could go ahead and explore with this. You could do a side part, a center part. You could part it as many times as you want. You know, do a half up, half down. It's all up to you. It laid really easily. That's what I love about this wig. It was really easy to install and really easy to style. All right, and I love how it's not drastic from the roots in terms of the color job. Like, it does have a darker look to it down there, and I was just like really pleased with the flow of this hair and the fact that I haven't flat ironed it as yet. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So I kind of just made my parting more visible and precise by adding some powder there, and then I kind of just slightly ran through the entire wig with my flat iron, and that was literally it. But all in all, I have to say this was pretty easy, pretty convenient to work with.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
This wig is stunning. You see this flow? Yeah, no, Dorsanee. Yeah, this is actually the second wig I'm getting from him, and oh my gosh, it's a straight texture just like the first one that I got. You guys would have recently saw that one, and this is another straight texture. I think so far all I've gotten from them is straight textures. I think they're a great company for straight texture, because there's sometimes, like, there's some straight textures that you get sometimes and you just know that it's gonna end up being frizzy over time, or not frizzy, but like will have like a lot of flyaways. That's one of the biggest pet peeves for me. If my straight texture has like a lot of flyaways and stuff, this is butter. And I never have to go much with the flat iron. It's just one pass at very big sections, because straight out of the packaging it maintained the straightness, like, you know, it nice. Look at that. Yeah, and it's 22 inches. It's giving, it's very true to length. I love the little like subtle balayage vibe going on with it. It is flawless, and it laid so flat. Nice little bust down center part. This is a weekend vibes all the way. You know, go turn up. You know, get some drinks, take some bomb pics. Yeah, I love this. I love this. This is literally so gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this blonde. Honestly, let me know what you guys think, because I'm literally obsessed. Nothing better than when you have a nice straight texture and the flow, the movement is just like effortless. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. It's barely shedding. I'm really not getting a lot of shedding. You know what? This is definitely processed, but it's not coarse. It's not coarse, you know? Like, as a 10 of minimal shedding. Like, yeah, I've gotten shedding, but it's not like, you know, excessive or anything. So I love this. Dorsanee, shout out to you for another bomb wig. Y'all did it again. Guys, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you're interested in getting this for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Okay? You can go ahead and do so. You know, the specifications, everything will be listed. I'm so excited about this look, honestly. Honestly, it's too bomb. Like, too bomb. Yeah. What? No, this is really nice. So, shout out to you guys for this gorgeous look. Like, guys, that's literally it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. If it's your first time, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time. Well, and also turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each time I do upload over here. I highly appreciate you guys' support. You know, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like the look and stuff, just go ahead and give it a thumb up. And that's it for today's video. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Swalla, swalla, swalla.